Isolated system. Sige, sorry.
Isolated system, a closed system that does not communicate with the surrounding by any means.
Isolated. So either mass or energy cannot cross the boundary. Isolated siya. Rigid.
Rigid system of closed
Nahi
system
ba yan?
that communicates with the surroundings by a
Free.
Heat only, no?
Sila lang gari.
Heat.
Sila lang
So
nagari.
mass
Thanks
cannot
for you.
enter. Work. Energy in the form of work cannot cross. Only heat. Why is it that heat can be exchanged from the system to the surrounding? It is rigid. Of course, that is due to a temperature difference. Take note, heat can be transmitted only if there is a difference in temperature. So, kung heat lang transfer, rigid system. Work, energy in the form of work cannot cross the system. Next.
Closed or open system that does not exchange energy with the surrounding.
Ano ba sa save mo din? Basa siya. Manakadbasa.
Does not exchange energy with the surroundings by heat. So, it does not absorb heat. The system does not absorb heat. It does not release heat. So, ano?
Hi, mine.
No heat is transmitted. No? But energy in the form of work can be transferred, can be transmitted. So dito, yun ang difference ng rigid at saka adiabatic, di ba? Sa rigid, heat lang. Sa adiabatic, any form of energy, basta hindi lang heat. Okay? Hindi lang heat. Adiabatic siya. So later on, we will talk about adiabatic process. So ang adiabatic process, heat is not transferred outside the system. It is not released by the system. What is a property of a system? So we talk about property here, we talk about property of the system. Ano yung property? Next.
And this, any characteristic of a system is called
Property
a
of the system.
And those properties are those that are independent of the size or mass of a system, such as temperature, pressure, and luminosity. They are not additive.
Okay, property. So this is something that is inherent to a system. Property siya. So property, even if you divide the system into small units, each unit
I love
preserved,
Best
okay,
and science.
it continues to have that property. For instance, if you have a piece of chalk, you divide it into small pieces.
Chalk hapon siya sir.
Ang temperature, each piece has a temperature. Diba? Oh. Even if you combine them, the same temperature.